at saka yung software na nasa loob po. Pag nag-punch yung name, parang search engine ito, parang Google ang labas. Ganun ba po ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor. It's capable of that, Your Honor.
So, maski na yung pangalan nandun, pero hindi siya buyer-seller, basta naka-annotate yung pangalan sa titulo, lalabas din yung... Ganun po ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
At kaya nga siguro lumabas itong iba dahil may connection. May sinasabi kang trace back. How much far back does this go ba?
It can go as far as the original title, Your Honor. OCT, Your Honor.
The OCT.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, basta may pangalan lang, lalabas at lalabas yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganun. Thank you po.
Okay. The lady senator from Taguig.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President,